is developing over to our west is going to move into our area, giving us a chance of rainfall starting on Saturday night, lasting throughout next Tuesday. So lots of rain in our forecast. We've been seeing on and off misty and light drizzle conditions throughout the morning. Those are going to end in the next couple hours, but the clouds are going to stick around for the next couple of days. We have a very slow storm system moving through our area, which is going to dump a lot of rainfall on us in a short amount of time. So this is why the National Weather Service has issued these watches and warnings. Again, they all last until 7 p.m. tonight. So far, November has started off to be a very nice month, much better than the weather we saw for most of October. We're actually going to see temperatures staying above normal, and the sunny skies are going to stick around for this weekend. We have a very nice weekend forecast in store for us.
Heat index is adding a couple degrees there, factoring in the humidity because it is so humid outside. Dew points in the Midwest are very high right now. 74 in Wichita, 72 in Springfield, 69 up in Kansas City. Again, the dew point is a measure of the moisture in the atmosphere, so the higher the dew point, the more uncomfortable and muggy it feels outside. Here's the futurecast. As we put it into motion, you see the warm front move through, bringing us a lot of moist and hot air, and a cold front will move through later on in the week. It will cool us down a little bit, but we do have some nice humid days and a couple of showers to get through before we get to that.
Tonight's low, 58 degrees. Winds will pick up just a little bit, 6 to 8 miles per hour, still coming out of the northeast. Here's a look at a current surface map. We've had some very nice weather in the last couple of days, stayed pretty dry, clear skies. A lot of this is due to this high pressure system that's over the east coast right now. It's kept the low off to our west and kept the clouds out of our area. The next few days, though, it is going to move off to the east, allowing this low to come through and a cold front. We're really not going to get that much cooler, just a few degrees, but we will see some chances of rain and thunderstorms throughout the weekend due to this cold front.
Good evening. I'm Amelia Rodgers from your KSPR Weather Center. We did see some storms and showers move through the Ozarks today. Most of that is out of the area for right now. Could be seeing some more storms later on tonight, however. Right now, there's only a small little shower showing up over in Barton County. Nothing that's going to turn into anything severe, but if you're driving through that area, don't be surprised if you see some rain. Here's a look at the live weather cam. Very cloudy skies right now. They're starting to break up, though, seeing a little bit of the sun, but overall, very gloomy day for most of the day today. 83 degrees right now, dew points at 75, humidity 77%, so it's pretty thick air out there right now. Can't really depend on the wind to make it feel any better because there's virtually no breeze outside right now. Today's high was 89 degrees. This is actually 1 degree below normal. However, it's so humid out that it actually felt a lot warmer than that. Here's the satellite and radar for the last 12 hours. You can see that storm that moved through the Ozarks, giving us some severe weather in the eastern portion of the county. Let's take a closer look at the Ozarks here. Most counties affected by this were over on the eastern side. West Plains had 1.5 inches of rainfall with this storm. Also in Eminence, Houston, and Salem, they saw a lot of lightning. Also had some reports of penny-sized hail with this storm. Here's a current surface map. Cold front sitting right over Springfield right now. This is going to help trigger some storms up later on this evening and throughout the day tomorrow, though. The good news is once the front has moved through, we will be left with much cooler air and it will be a lot less humid than it was today. Here's current temperatures, 82 in Monette, a little bit warmer down in Arkansas, 91 in Rodgers. As you go farther to the north and east, though, 79 over in Rolla. Factoring in that humidity, though, it's making everyone feel at least a few degrees warmer than the actual temperature. So it really feels like 96 in Monette, 99 in Rodgers, and over in Rolla it feels like 84, even though their temperature is only 79. Here's the futurecast. That cold front moves through. We have a chance of thunderstorms tonight throughout the day tomorrow, but the good news is on Friday, much cooler temperatures, much lower humidity. So we have a nice weekend to look forward to. Before we get to that, though, we are going to see some significant rainfall totals. Some areas in the Ozarks could get 2.5 inches of rain before this storm moves out of the area. Here's the evening forecast. By 11 p.m. tonight, it'll be down to 73 degrees. Could be seeing some storms tonight and throughout the day tomorrow. Up to 81 by noon tomorrow, and at 5 p.m., 85 degrees. Here's the 7-day forecast. Again, chance of storms tonight and throughout Thursday. By Friday, though, a high of 83, and we shouldn't be seeing any more rain for a while. Saturday's high down to 81 degrees. We're going to stay in the lower to mid 80s throughout the beginning of next week.